Next, we go to Bond Court in Miami, Florida. Judge Mindy Glazer presiding. 36-year-old Adaya Baki has been charged with aggravated battery with a deadly weapon and armed burglary with assault. 2 days earlier, Baki went to a shipping store and asked for a refund for a damaged package. The manager refused, instead advising Baki to contact the seller. Baki was not happy and let loose on the manager. Surveillance cameras captured Baki punching the store manager, then following him behind the counter and hitting him several more times. Then Baki pulled a gun from his pocket.
I'm gonna blow your brains out.
As customers and a coworker fled the store, Baki pistol whipped the manager, then left the store with a warning.
I'm coming back.
Baki left behind his package, which was labeled with his name and address, so police were able to locate and arrest him the next day. Today, Baki and his attorney are before Judge Glazer to ask for his release on a reasonable bond until trial.
Mr. Delgado, the arrest affidavit alleges that this occurred behind the restricted area, I guess, of the store.
In Florida, committing an assault inside the employee-only area of a store can be considered burglary, since customers do not have permission to be there. But Baki's attorney argues his client was actually in a public area.
It's an open store. If you've ever been in one, they're all wide open. You know, and you have to have intent to go into the restricted area to commit a crime. I mean, to refer to that as enclosed or restricted is completely ridiculous, and it's not consistent with reality. I would ask the court to find no PC on the burglary with the battery charge and give him a bond and let him post it.
Okay, state, if this is an area.
The judge, counsel's referencing a video. Does Your Honor want to see it?
Sure.
There's the cash register, the desk, and then the employee-only area that's behind the register. So it's the state's position that common sense dictates you can't go behind the counter of a business where the cash register is.
You know, I'm not excusing his conduct, believe me, but there's nothing indicating to the public that you're not allowed to enter. There's probable cause for an aggravated battery and a battery, but I don't think there's enough for armed burglary with an assault or battery.
Because the judge finds no probable cause for burglary, she releases Baki on that charge. Now the hearing turns to the aggravated battery charge and whether Judge Glazer will set bond or hold Baki until trial.
Mr. Delgado, for the aggravated battery, I'm setting that bond to $20,000. It's plus house arrest with a GPS monitor.
5 days later, Baki posted the bond and was released to house arrest. He's pled not guilty to the charges, and his trial is pending. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.